So cute. Ang ganda here. Wow. So nice. Let's go again to Antipolo. Let's go station.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, good morning! I'm here now at Robinson's Antipolo. Naglalakad na ako papuntang Hinulugang Taktak Falls. Dito doon, sabi ng Google Maps. And it's currently 7:38 a.m. Let's go! Guys, ito yung sign, tama ako. Hinulugang Taktak! Active na mga tao dito. Parang lahat nagsa-cycling, tas jogging. Ayun o. Dami dito cycling, nag-jogging. Wow guys, artworks. Guys, I'm here. Hinulugang Taktak. Yes. So I'm here finally. Walang entrance. Magre-register ka lang. Let's go! I'm so excited. Guys, I can hear it. I can hear the falls. Oh my gosh. Nature. Wow. Wow. Oh my gosh. Wow, I'm here. Wow. Guys. Guys. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh. It's so nice. I can stare it all day. Sure. Sente music playing. Oh my gosh. I can't get over. Wow. So nice. 2 hours away from Metro Manila. I love it. Pero ayoko na umalis. May obstacle course din pala sila. May mga course din pala sila guys. Oh my gosh! And then, wow! Pwede dito mag-family outing. So nice. Pwede siyang katambayan, guys. At saka ang ganda talaga. Yeah. Let's go, guys. Siyaga lang pala dito is hiking to the max. Oh, it's 9:15 a.m. and medyo hungry na ako, guys. So, let's grab a breakfast. Let's go. Thank you po. Empanada. Isangan po, regular lang po na chicken pesto at saka taco beef. Ang ube malunggay at saka kopya. Guys, I got my foods. Hanap tayo ng spot to eat. Nakahanap din ako ng spot to eat. Ang ganda. Foods. And yes, let's eat. Ang daming mga food stalls. I got chicken pesto empanada. Aha. Then, ito pala yung beef empanada. Ito yung chicken pesto. Sarap. Dragon fruit juice, 100 pesos. Beef empanada, 22. Tapos yung chicken pesto, 22. Oh, good na. Guys, ang ganda sa feeling. Hi. Ganda ng view habang kumakain ako. Refreshing. Next, guys, I got. Hindi ko alam, basta 20 pesos lang to lahat. Oh, ube cheese desal. Look. Then, malunggay pandesal. Then, hopya. Favorite. Kumakain ka, then ito yung view mo. Wow! So nice. Guys, walking at the streets of Antipolo. Nakakapagod umakyat. Malapit na tayo. Pero guys, it's so steep. Hiking yarn. Nakikita ko na Antipolo Cathedral.
Happy Divine versus Sunday.
Amen. Thank you. I'm here now. Into art. May registration sila. Ang entrance, it's 300 pesos. I'm here at Pinto Art Museum. Dapat pala guys, pag nakapunta ka dito sa Pinto Art Museum, nakaporma ka. Just like them. Nakaporma ka. Ay, yung porma ko. So nice.
Meanwhile,
Here is the... Ano yun? Ah! Look, hi! Ano yan? May pop. Ano yun? Ano yun? Peacock! Wow! Guys, look! It's so cute! Wow! Ito yung feathers mo. Pakita mo yung feathers mo. Let's explore. Wow! So, ito pala guys. Ito yung map. Yan. Dito muna tayo magmuni-muni. Kasi napagod na ako. Look guys, ang ganda ng view. Manifesting stars. Sorry. Ganda. Magala tayo. Tingnan daw natin dito guys. Wala naman nakalagay namin. Look guys. Wow. Yeah. Ay, ang ganda dito guys. Wow guys. Look at this. Wow. I have all day to explore this guys. Try yung map ko. Meron sa map. Ito kanina yung pool. So, bumaba ako dito. Sa gallery. Ay, dito. Forest. Ay, ito yung forest. Nagakad-lakad na tayo sa forest. Forest is real. Ang laki talaga dito. Underwater. Wala akong sa underwater. Time check. It's 1:36 p.m. I'm still hiking sa forest. Ah, ang ganda. Look. Wow. Kunwari, dito ka ikakasal. Make an entrance, guys. Oh my gosh! Wheeler. Guys, nag-entrance pa ako. May mga tao pala. Sorry. Akyat na naman tayo. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, ang taas. Wow. Let's go to Stone Garden. Yeah. I-POV naman natin. Let's go. Pero ako nasa forest. Pero, ang daming art na forest. Yeah. Wow. Ah, dito may cafe. Ah, dito yung mga cafe. Guys, ayun na. I can smell the coffee. Wow.
Weil uns ist weiter genau wer kommt, dann kann die Beine jetzt drauf.
Wow. Daming art talaga. Guys, busy ako sa pag-take ng pictures. Okay. Ang ganda guys. Nakikita niyo for today's video, puro art. Wow. Guys, see that view. Art, more art. Oh, upo muna tayo guys. Kapag pumunta ka pala dito, kailangan naka-outfit check ka. Nakikita ko sa lahat ng forma. Then, may magandang camera ka. Yeah, para sulit talaga yung bayad mo. Wow. Look at this. That artwork. Art of the mall. Wow. Really amazed. Wow na lang talaga. Ilibot ko talaga kayo guys yung lahat dito. Wow. Ang bango pa dito. Wow. Wala talaga akong ibang masabi. Puro wow. Puro wow na lang. Ang may tambayan din pala here. Ang laki pala dito. Punta ako sa taas. Nice here. Ako lang ata yung hindi naka-fit check dito. Guys, ito siya lahat. Wow. It's all about balance. Ang dami pa dito talaga. Like, guys, may cafe here. If you want to, coffee. Wow. Dami pa. Ang dami.
Hey guys, I'm going home.
Let's go home.